Hi, I'm LJ with Chemistry Connection and Make Your Own Buzz. Today we're going to be making an incredibly moisturizing lotion that is really easy for beginners. In this lotion, I'm using CC Sepgel 305, which sounds kind of complicated, I know, but it actually makes lotion making so much easier. So this lotion doesn't require any emulsifiers, heat, or high-speed mixing. So you can work completely at room temperature and you can just use a regular whisk. You don't even need any fancy utensils. Aside from being very easy to make, this lotion also has some really great moisturizing ingredients such as colloidal oatmeal, Shea Olein, and avocado oil.